Spreadsheets, manual edits, one product, 5 versions across different channels. Sound familiar? MarketProvider, one platform for all your product content. Update once, every channel gets it instantly. Marketplaces, online stores, catalogs, always in sync, always up to date. After logging in, you land in the product catalog, a table with customizable columns, filters by status, new, in progress, ready, archived. Only ready products can be published and exported. Search by SKU, product name, or any attribute. Bulk editing, AI-powered description generation, push to channels in one click. The product card brings everything together. Photos, videos, files, attributes grouped into blocks. Change history with the ability to compare and roll back to a previous version. The information model defines the card structure for each category, which attributes to display which are required, where the data comes from. Dictionaries store standardized values, sizes, colors, brands. Enter them manually or paste from Excel. Tags group products, new arrival, promo, needs review. Public tags are visible in the catalog. Private tags stay within the team. Roles and permissions control who sees what data and what actions they can perform. Import products and media files in bulk. Errors are detected automatically and displayed in the import history. Channels manage inbound and outbound data flows. Export schedules, filters, manual or automatic launch. All activity is recorded in the history. DIM is your digital file storage. Manuals, certificates, videos. Everything is linked to products and accessible from the product card. Files are reused across the entire catalog. Studio and the Figma plugin turn PIM data into ready-made visuals. You set up a template. The system pulls in attributes, photos, and text from the product card. The output, infographics, marketplace cards, PDF catalogs. In Figma, the designer creates a layout and connects it to PIM. The result can be refined manually. Studio works without a designer. Generation runs on a schedule. Data changes in PIM. Visuals are recreated automatically. The public catalog lets you instantly share products with partners, filters, search, data, and media export. Works on mobile devices. For those who need a catalog under their own brand, there is white label, your domain, your logo, no mention of MarketProvider. MarketProvider helps you move faster, reduce errors, and deliver quality content to any channel. Try it free for 14 days, link on screen.